Hey, let's go through our new functionality, the flexible filters. So we redesigned filters to make them much more powerful. You can add many more filters than you previously had. You can filter, for example, by your time entry duration, your currency, your billable rate, your fixed fee. And when you click to add a member filter, you have many more conditions that you can pick out from. So currently, all filters are called inclusive, meaning they meet this is condition. However, now you can choose a negative condition like is not, contains if it's based on a text criteria, does not contain, starts with, or ends with. So, for example, let's use the project filter here. And as you can see, I only have 3 account management projects. But let's say that I just want to include this account management project and even other future account management projects that I include. So I can click project contains account management. So now I will automatically filter any project that contains account management now or in the future if I choose to add them. This is particularly helpful if you have a list of multiple projects with the same name. But I can also choose to hide these projects and just show other types of projects. I can also do the same in combination with tasks, for example. And another really cool thing about the flexible filters is that you can now combine different filter logics together. You can use an AND where the data meets all filter conditions, or you can use the OR, which means the data meets any of these filter conditions. So for example, I can choose OR tasks is not accounting. I'm selecting all data where the project either does not contain account management or task is not accounting. You can see that if I change this to end, now it will eliminate all the other criteria where you have a time entry where account project is account management and task is not accounting. There's also another very particularly helpful condition, which is the ends with or starts with. If you have a specific prefix or suffix to your projects, you can also always filter them by that specific prefix. So for example, I'm going to write project here, starts with account. Here you go. There's multiple things you can do here. The idea is that it saves you time with these conditions. So if you want to build a very specific dashboard, you don't have to take this to Excel. There you go. Hope you enjoyed it.